Hey, how's it going? Just doing a quick video on how I make this glass Mixamo, I call it. I think it looks really cool. This is going to be part of another tutorial. I'm going to be showing how to create something with this character spinning around, hopefully throwing a fireball. We'll see how that goes. But hey, good news. I see we got, I don't know if you want to call it an update, 2020. So they did fix the bridge. I mean, they did update the bridge, and I personally am happy about that because I do believe I see a future. I see Unreal as the future, and I also see LightWave as a part of that future. And from what I understand, Unreal has no interest in getting into 3D modeling programs or anything like that. They're just going to keep doing what they're doing. There's definitely a place for LightWave in the future, as I see it at least. So anyway, I was glad to see that, even though it was a paltry, can I say that word, update. Okay, so this is kind of what we're going to do. This is really quick and easy. I just think it's fun, and this is going to be part of this other tutorial that I'm going to do, but I just wanted to show you how I do this real fast. So I'm just going to clear the scene. We're going to get something that looks like that. So as always, we're just going to go into the in-out interchange. This is just the standard Mixamo rig right there. He's he is facing toward us, and then I'll just adjust my view right here, and I'll just have him looking that way. That's fine. And then all we do is, if you want to adjust the rig, you would just come over here onto objects, and you're going to go to that, and then if you turn your scroll wheel, you can turn them around or whatever. So you see the lighting is kind of interesting there, like that. Kind of interesting. Okay, so we're just going to leave it like that, and then we just go into the surface editor real quick here. You press shift, and we're going to click these two things, and then we're going to switch it to principled BSDF. And then for the joints, what we're going to do is we're just going to set that to black. I don't know, this is a flavor to taste, but I'm going to kill the specular on that, and I'm just going to bump this up, the roughness. Between these two, it shouldn't go over 100% with those two combined. And then if we click on this is the fun part I like, is you just hit F8, and we'll just go clear glass. And this is so interesting to me, working with glass materials, just because they take on the environment so well. Let me punch in here a little bit and just adjust myself a little bit. And then we just go to VPR, and you see that it's clearly glass. And of course these joints are black, but I think that's cool. Let me just turn this a little bit more like that, so you can appreciate the glass quality of this, which I think is fantastic. Okay, now here's the part that's interesting to me. So the backdrop seems boring, right? So if you click over here in this upper right corner and you click and drag, you can adjust your perspective. So we're kind of looking kind of at a low angle up, like that, which is okay, but we can see the sky. And I got confused with the backdrop here, but if you double click on it, if we make the sky black, we get this nice, with the sky squeeze here, we get this nice, you might have to up your rendering quality here, you get this nice kind of gradient, and I just think it looks really good. Like, I don't know, I just think it looks like a, and then we can do the same thing on the lower one here, like this. And of course, and maybe do this one, do that one, let's see. So that makes it pitch black. So let's see if I can adjust that out. So I don't know if I like it completely pitch black, so let me just do maybe like a gray here. But you can play around with this. I guess the squeeze is in between these two colors, right? So these two colors is a hard line, so you can just play around with it. But let's just say I'll make it hard black surface, hard black here to make it a floor, but then I'll squeeze the sky here to create this more of a gradient kind of effect. It's cool. I just think it looks cool. But you start seeing this nice quality of glass look. What am I doing here? Oh, I'm moving here the character, so let me just do that. Come up here a little bit. What did it do? Oh, I went into modeler. Okay, here we go. So let me come down here. So it's just a really nice look. So I just wanted to show you this. It almost looks metallic. Like, it looks like a metallic color. And I don't know if you saw the Terminator where it's that liquid metal, but this is just a really nice look. And this is what I'll be using on the next tutorial. When I show you, we're gonna have him spinning around and throwing a ball. So that's the next tutorial coming. but I just wanted to show you this piece of things. So anyway, take care, have a great day, just enjoy yourself with LightWave.